Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you about a 2x1 hidden torch key door that is flush with the wall and can be opened from both sides. Once you pick out the space you want to build this, you're going to need a 5x5x8 area, 4 blocks above ground and 4 blocks below ground. This yellow block will be where we place the redstone torch. Below this, you're going to want to place a sticky piston, then place a block. Then opposite from this, you're going to want to place a redstone torch. Place a repeater on this side, on 2 ticks, and place a block in front of the repeater. Just do the opposite on the other side, but instead of 2 ticks, use 4 ticks. Then fill in these 3 blocks, place redstone on these 3 blocks, a repeater, set to 2 ticks, a block in front of this repeater, and a block diagonal. Then place some redstone dust on top of this block, and place a redstone torch on top of this one. Place a block on top of the redstone torch, some redstone dust, a block diagonal, some more redstone dust, place 2 blocks here, 1 block above, 2 redstone on top of these 2 blocks, another block, a repeater set to 2 ticks, 2 blocks around here, 2 more redstone dust. Then place all 6 of your sticky pistons, like so. Then you can fill in your door. As you can see, when I place the redstone torch on this block, the door will open, let me through. Now to make the redstone torch key work on the opposite side, you're going to want to go underneath this block, place a sticky piston, a redstone block, a repeater. In front of the repeater, place a redstone torch. On top of the redstone torch, place another block and place a redstone torch. Then you'll have to replace this block. Now the door should work on both sides. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one, thanks for watching.